Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy Z Fold 6, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Casetify Impact Series case for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I got this one here with the nice design. I won't read some of the words on there. And then I love the snake one on there. So there's many different designs. I will have the links in the description if you want to pick it up. I need to give them a shout out for actually sending these cases out to me for a review. Let's start off with the snake one. Bam. Always nice packaging from them. No complaints there. Let's get this open. So you can customize their cases online. There's so many different designs. All right, so I was able to go ahead and remove the plastic on here. It does have a adhesive strip here, but it's a one-piece case though. It's a one-piece case. Now, the thing about Caseology, they have this technology in there for shock absorption. So when you drop your phone, it's supposed to take some of the shock away from it. But I love the design, Casetify. The one thing they could do is the cutout could be a little bit better there. But let's see how this bad boy fits in here. And how does it do with just one piece? So it felt like it's not pretty good. You don't have any hinge protection. The power button. Now, one thing I'm gonna notice too right away is the power button is not the easiest to get into. And it told me I gotta wait for. Let's see if it will unlock. No, so you can still unlock your phone, but it's not the easiest to get into. As you can tell, that they need to make an indentation up here and maybe push this back down some. Don't get me wrong, you can still do it, but it's not the easiest thing. Vine rockers are good. Nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Everything lines up at the top. You do get a camera cutout and you get protection. Also, you get lip protection from the front, so you have a lot. A lot around the front and the sides there. I like how it shows off the beauty, but you have the design on there too. And then opening it up, it's not bad. The hinge does not get in the way. Or the one-piece design. Man. So you still have your full display there too. I kind of like the design of it. And it is on there good too. It's not coming off easily. I like this design. Let's see. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem. You can wireless charge without any issues either. So, okay, so two things. Work on the fingerprint scanner. It could be better. I mean, it's doable. And then come up with a different back here. I don't know, cut this off or something. But overall, it's not a bad case. It feels good too. It doesn't add really bulk to your phone. Not a bulky case at all. So let's try out the other one. All right, so here is the second case. I really love this design on there. I love how you can get different designs from Casetify. The power button is about the same on this one. It's doable, but it could be definitely better. The Vine rockers are the same. Everything lines up the same way too. It fits the same. I mean, it fits snug. It takes a lot of work to get back, snap this in there, and you're not getting this part. So this is probably one of the best fitting cases that I actually tried out for the Fold so far. You got the same lip protection, the same camera cutout. Again, you can wireless charge with it. So this Casetify case, the impact case, checks off a lot of different boxes. Again, doesn't add bulk to your phone. You get lip protection, you have great camera protection there. Everything lines up at the top and the bottom. You can wireless charge. The overall fit is probably one of the best fitting cases. So overall, this is a great case. Again, if you want to pick up these cases, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Y'all let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.